Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to use NordVPN for sports betting. So basically what you have to do is simply go to NordVPN. I really recommend you to use the link in this video description. As you can see, you're going to get a huge discount. And what you have to do is simply click on Get NordVPN, and basically you have to simply choose any plans from here. So I really recommend you to go with this one here and click on Get Started. And after that you'll have to simply create your account, and then you'll have to simply select the payment method, and then you'll be able to connect to any servers in the world. So as you can see, if we go back, we can see that they have over 6,000 servers. And basically what you have to do next is to simply connect to a server where the sport betting is enabled. So as you can see, if we stake, we can see that these territories here are basically not able to connect to it and play. And basically you'll have to simply connect to another server like United States or any other. So I really hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.